Hi, my name is Chief Petty Officer Burris. I'm with Engineering Systems School CPB staff at Training Center Yorktown. This video will cover the removal and installation of the MTU 8V396TE94 constant pressure manifold. This task will normally be performed as part of ALMIS scheduled maintenance or as corrective maintenance upon failure or interference of on-engine components. This video is for familiarization with the tasks and shall not take place of official procedures promulgated by the patrol boat product line. Ensure you follow all safety guidelines and procedures outlined in all NPCs. Remove the jacket water connection from the KGS end of the constant pressure manifold housing. Remove the bolts securing the constant pressure manifold outer housing. Once all the bolts are removed, remove the outer housing. Remove and discard any old O-rings. Bend the locking tabs and remove constant pressure manifold halves. Loosen the bolt securing the end plate and remove. Remove the bolts holding the exhaust housing to the cylinder heads and remove. Lubricate and install new O-rings to the exhaust flange. Coat the mating surfaces on the cylinder heads and exhaust manifold housing with assembly paste. Lubricate and install new O-ring on the KS end of the exhaust manifold. Apply approved anti-seize compound to all bolts. And install exhaust manifold housing, securing it with the mount bolts. Tighten all exhaust manifold housing bolts to torque specifications.
It is important to refer to the current maintenance procedure card or technical publication for tightening specifications and tolerances. These change from time to time by the manufacturer or other authority.
Install the end plate using the locating pin and tighten to the torque specification. Apply the approved anti-seize compound to the manifold halve bolts. Install constant pressure manifold halves with the shims on both sides and the locking tab on top. Tighten all bolts and torque to specifications. Bend the tab against the constant pressure manifold mounting bolts. Apply assembly paste to the mating surfaces on both exhaust housings. Lubricate and install new O-rings. Install the exhaust housing and install bolts. Tighten all manifold housing bolts and torque to specifications. Install the jacket water connection on the KGS end of the constant pressure manifold housing.
Once all installation is complete, conduct a performance test to make sure repairs were successful.